You don't need to spend this new year drilling scales and forcing yourself through sheet music just to sound like a real pianist. There's a much faster way. The same method cruise and hotel pianists use to learn hundreds of songs without memorizing every note. And since it's a fresh start, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can jump into songs you love instead of getting stuck in the slow traditional route. Here's the real issue. When most people try to learn piano, whether they're using apps, tutorials, or even traditional lessons, they're all taught the same exact starting point. Read every note, learn traditional sheet music, and drill through kiddie songs you don't even like. And sure, that method works if your dream is to become a classical pianist and you're ready to invest years into it. But for the rest of us, it's the slowest, most discouraging way to learn real songs quickly. It's also not how working musicians learn. Most gigging pianists aren't sitting there reading every note. They're using a system that lets them learn new songs in days, not months. If they had to memorize full sheet music for hundreds of songs, it wouldn't even be possible. So today, I'm going to show you the method real musicians actually use, the one that helps you sound good fast, whether you want to play casually or finally feel confident performing. And I made a free tool to help you start strong this year, the Piano Practice Planner. It walks you through learning your first song in 7 days using this exact method and helps you build a routine you'll actually stick to. Just comment Practice Planner below or grab it from the link in the description of this video. And when students follow this method, here's what happens. They go from total beginners to sounding like this. All right, let's break this down with a fresh start because a new year is a perfect time to rethink how you actually want to play piano. There are really 2 main paths you can take, and most people don't even realize which one they're aiming for. The first way people play piano is as an accompanist. That just means you're the foundation of the music, the person holding everything underneath the singer or the melody. Think of it like this. When Alicia Keys is singing and playing, or when John Legend is at the piano singing and playing, they're the accompanist. As an accompanist, your job is to shape the groove and the backbone of the song. You're mostly focused on the chord progression and the rhythm. You're supporting the main melody, giving it structure and warmth, but you are not playing the melody on the piano. In real life, this is how most people play. Sitting at the piano, making music that feels good, backing yourself up while you sing, or being the person who keeps everyone together in a band or small group. This is everyday musician piano, and it's the fastest musical path to sounding good. Then there's the second path, the solo pianist. This is when you carry the entire performance on your own, the melody, the chords, the emotion. Think about the pianists you hear in hotels or on cruise ships or at nice restaurants. It's just them and the keys filling the whole room. Here's the good news. You don't have to choose just one path. As a beginner, you can learn both fast if you start with the right method. Because if your goal this year is to play real songs and sound good quickly, you do not need to start with classical sheet music or kiddie songs. Let's get you started learning how to play both of these ways more quickly. Let's start with the role most people never realize they can play, being an accompanist. That simply means you're the person creating the musical foundation. Again, think of James Taylor supporting his own voice, or Elton John. They're not glued to pages of notation, they're shaping the harmony, the rhythm, the feel. And the secret behind all of that is chords. Chords are the engine of almost every song you know, whether it's Let It Be, You've Got a Friend, or Lean on Me. If you want to sing and play, if you want to join a worship team, or if you just want to play along while your friend sings, you need to know your chords. There are tons of chords out there: major, minor, diminished, seventh, and so on. But you don't need to learn everything at once. What does matter is spending time with the basics, because once those are solid, you can learn songs unbelievably fast. And once you're comfortable recognizing chord symbols, here's where it really gets fun. Go online and look up a song you love. One of my favorite sites is ultimateguitar.com. I know it's technically for guitar players, but their chord charts work perfectly for piano. Let's pull up a classic song, Fire and Rain by James Taylor. You'll see the chords sitting right above the lyrics. That's a chord chart. And if you know your chords, you can play this immediately. Inside my free piano practice planner, I give you a chord guide that walks you through all your major and minor chords step by step, and it includes a 7-day plan to learn your very first song using a chart exactly like this. If you want that, comment Practice Planner below or grab it from the link in the description of this video. Now let me show you how this works in real time. All I'm doing is playing the chord where it lines up with the lyric. That's the whole idea. So as you can see, it's simple and it's fast, and this is how musicians learn hundreds of songs without relying on full sheet music. But playing straight block chords can sound a little stiff, so let's make it feel more musical. Instead of hitting the chords the same way every time, you can change the rhythm, add movement, add texture, what I call improvisation tricks. So let me show you a quick example of that with the same song. So that's just one example of how you could jazz up those chords. This is where you stop sounding like a beginner and start sounding like you have some creativity. This is the fastest path for anyone who wants to sing and play, be part of a worship band, or just sit down and play something that actually feels like a song. And I've even seen students take this all the way. One of my students, Felix, shared inside our community that after learning this method inside the Piano Accelerator, he now plays every Sunday and Wednesday for prayer services and even joins the worship team monthly. So let's look at the second path, playing solo piano. When most adults try to learn melody and accompaniment together, they assume they have to start with traditional sheet music. They picture two staves, tons of notes, and the pressure to read everything exactly as written. But that's not how most real-world pianists play. If you've ever been on a cruise ship or heard someone performing standards in a hotel lobby, chances are they're playing from a lead sheet, not classical sheet music. Let me show you the difference. Traditional sheet music gives you every note in both hands. It's dense, detailed, and takes a long time to learn, especially if you want to learn multiple songs quickly. A lead sheet is completely different. You get two things, the melody, written as single notes, and the chord symbols above it. That's it. The right hand plays the melody, the left hand plays the chord pattern. And suddenly, you're not memorizing a strict arrangement, you're building your own. And the funny thing is, even in traditional sheet music, the left hand is usually playing chords anyway. So learning the chords directly is not only faster, it's more flexible. Here's a simple lead sheet version of Somewhere Over the Rainbow. First, I'll play it the basic way, single note melody on top with simple chords underneath. So that already doesn't sound too bad, but watch now what happens when you add expression, broken chords, texture, pedal, and so on. So that was the same lead sheet, but a totally different vibe. This is how working pianists create beautiful arrangements without needing to follow 15 pages of notation. This is also why I teach my students to learn both roles, accompanist and solo pianist, because they feed into each other. Some of my students play and sing, some love playing old standards on their own, and many end up doing both. Inside the Piano Accelerator, I walk them through every step in the exact order adults need. Solid chords first, then rhythm, then reading lead sheets, then building songs. But if you want just your very first step, the foundation that makes all of this possible, grab my free piano practice planner. It'll show you how to learn your first song in just 7 days using this exact method and help you start a practice routine you can actually keep. Comment practice planner below or grab it from the description and I'll send it to you. Let's get you playing the way real musicians play, confidently, creatively, and without waiting years to sound good. Look, a new year has a way of making you look at things you still want to do but haven't started yet. And for so many people, piano is one of those dreams that keeps getting pushed off. Maybe you feel behind, like everyone else had their chance to learn when they were a kid, and somehow you missed the window. Maybe you've even told yourself it's too late, or that you'll never catch up to the people who have been playing for decades. Or maybe you did try lessons before, but they never led to anywhere. You spent all of your time reading notes, drilling pages, and never actually playing the music that made you fall in love with piano in the first place. Eventually, you lost momentum, life got busy, and you quit. If any of that sounds familiar, it's not because you're not talented, it's because the way piano is usually taught simply doesn't work for most adults. But what I just showed you in this video completely flips that experience. Once you start learning chords, using lead sheets, and arranging songs in a way that feels natural, you realize you were never behind. You just needed a method that actually matches how adults learn. And the best part is, you don't have to overhaul your life. If you can show up for 10 minutes, follow the right steps, and let yourself enjoy the process, you will grow. This new year can look completely different, and it doesn't require a resolution you'll break by February. Just a small, consistent decision to finally learn the way real musicians do. Your first step is simple. Grab the free piano practice planner, and I'll show you how to learn your first song in just 7 days. Comment practice planner below or grab it in the link in the description of this video. For some inspiration, I recommend checking out this video next. It'll show you 3 adult students who started from scratch and learned how to play their favorite songs just like this in retirement. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.